Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the Windows security update missing in Windows 11. So for this what you need to do is first click on the start button, then you have to search for the services from here, and after you click on the services it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom, then you have to find for the Windows update, and after you click on the Windows update you have to click on the startup type to automatic, and after you click on the automatic make sure the service status is into running. You have to click on start to make it run. Here it is in my stop, but you can click on start to make it running. After that you have to click on apply, then you have to click on OK. After that the second method is you have to click on the start button, then you have to search for the troubleshoot settings from here, and when you click on the troubleshoot settings it will take a couple of seconds. Then you have to click on the other troubleshooters, then you have to click on the run option from the Windows update. After that it will take a couple of seconds to troubleshoot the problem, and it will simply solve the problem of it. And still if not working, then what you can do is click again on the Windows button. You have to search for the Windows security from here, and once you click on the Windows security you have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then you have to click on the virus and threat protection from here. After that you have to click on the manage settings from the virus and threat protection settings. You have to click on the manage settings option from here and make sure the real-time protection is turned on. After that the last method is you have to click or go to a browser, and then you have to search for the Microsoft update catalog. For example, I am in the Google Chrome browser and I have searched for the Microsoft update catalog in the search box. Then you have to click on the first option here. There is the Microsoft update catalog, and when you are here you have to simply paste the code that start with KB, and you must be thinking that where you will get that. You have to go to the start button, then you have to click on the settings option from here, and when you are in the settings option you have to wait couple of seconds. Then you have to click on the Windows update option from here. Since I have already updated my Windows, that's why it's not showing, but here we'll show the next update here, and here we'll get the code of starting with KB. And after that you will have to simply paste that code here, and you have to search for it, and you will get that application, or you will get that file download update file easily. You have to click on it and it will simply get started to get downloaded. After that you have to click on the downloaded file, and it will simply install your Windows update accordingly. So that is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.